is JRY Land Corporation, the biggest land selling company in the Philippines. Corporation is an artificial being, meaning it has a personality that is separate from its individual owners. It is made up of at least 6 to 15 persons whom divided ownership into shares.
Good morning, Mr. Lee. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Thank you, Doctora. You're welcome.
My daughter, please take charge of the company for a while, for I am sick.
Don't worry about our corporation, Father. I, together with your board of directors, spend most of our time in our business.
For all the efforts you've done for my sake, please take care of the I've done to you.
Yes, Father. Please rest now, Father. When I was a child, I went in my dad's business.
Our corporation is existing 10 years from now. And when my time comes, you will handle all of this.
Two of the major advantages of a corporation are its power of succession, which enables it to enjoy a continuous existence, and it is not hard for the successor to gain the people's trust, since it has a strong credit line and reputation.
We arrange the containers necessary for us.
Yes, ma'am. Kawali siya ng meeting room.
God, nothing pa yung pinapagawa sa iyo, ah. Happy day.
Mother, we have a big problem. The government did not allow us to have our new project with Ms. Gahote since we have not yet settled our accounts of our company.
Oh, I see. I have talked to the BIR commissioner and said that we have paid all our taxes, so we can now move to our project.
Every corporation will have their advantages and lapses. First, since the corporation is larger than just a sole proprietorship, it is subjected to a bigger tax. Second, the government has a control over this corporation to prevent the things or actions that would not benefit other people, such as overpricing the product. Since the government has a control over them, they set the price of a specific product or service so that the buyer is protected from the bad intentions of the corporation.
This is JRY Land Corporation. We sell lands that could be converted into farming sites, buildings, and condominiums. I'm proud to say that the company serves the people for 20 years now.
Good morning.
Ma'am, this is the members of the board and the people behind the success of this corporation. This is Mr. Esmacalan, one of our stockholders. This is Ms. Mirhan, another one of our stockholders. And this is Ms. Orjeta, our promoter and also one of our incorporator.
kind of corporation is this?
Madam, according to membership holdings, this is a stock corporation, a private corporation in which the capital is divided into shares of stock and is authorized to distribute corporate earnings to holders. As to purpose, this is a private corporation that is organized for a private benefit aim or end. As to compliance of law, this is a de jure corporation which makes us very reliable because a de jure corporation is a corporation which exists in both law and fact. As to law of creation, Madam, this is a domestic corporation because we are organized under the Philippine laws, and as to extent of membership, this is an open corporation since we are inviting you to share a big stock in our company.
AC or articles of incorporation, the bylaws, and the records of the company.
Every business should start its operations within 2 years from the date of incorporation. Failure to do so will automatically dissolve the corporation without the need for a hearing. Also, the articles of incorporation you will make should have limitation of power and must always follow the bylaws that were set by the corporation.
Now I have made my decision. I will invest 15 billion pesos cash in your business.
I have a great news, Father. You know Miss Cafute? She offered 15 billion pesos!
15 million pesos?
Tatay, gusto ko ng tinapay.
Ate, kuya, gusto ko lang.
Nanay, tatay, gusto ko ng tinapay.
Motor kayo na.